when we die, where do we go?
You're going to the grave, Asamado. Nobody's going to heaven. If there is a heaven, as people claim they are going, why are they afraid to die? Why is your pastor afraid to die? Why did your pastor go to India for a transplant if he knows he's going to heaven? If he knows there's a better place more than this earth, why did he go to do a kidney transplant? Why are they afraid of death? If Black Rasta knows there's another media station that is going to treat him better than 3FM, why would you think of leaving 3FM?
True. Yeah. So there is no heaven. So where do we go? In the grave, what happens to us? What happens to us?
You wait. You wait for your entire duration there, because you're going to come back again. You're going to be reincarnated.
Oh, so you believe in reincarnation?
Yes, reincarnation is there. It's
okay, so you see somebody and say, oh, this person has lived on earth before, he's come back.
Yeah.
Genesis 25 verse 7.
Genesis 25 verse 7.
Abraham da odi ye mfihia ohadua so.
Abraham da odi ye nyina mfihia 170 5 years.
Na Abraham jai ne humi mu.
Abraham jai ne humi mu. Oko heaven.
Odamajo, o jai ne hum no wui.
No oko heaven.
Na Abraham kotoa na janum wa sama.
Dabi, okotoa na janum wa heaven.
No ti na janum wa sama ado.
Money power. Sha Bible nim ye.
Wanga se me fie, o se na asama ado.
So who akwa asama ado?
Yeah. Yes. 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 So when the Bible, it doesn't believe in the New Testament, right?
I don't believe in it. The reason why I don't believe in the New Testament, Black Rasta, if you have a friend, he says this, another friend come back and say it is green. Your fellow friend will come back and say it is red. Which one would you believe?
You will be confused.
Matthew is saying something different about Jesus.
Yes.
Mark is saying something different. Luke is saying something different. John is saying something different. So which one should we believe? But in the Old Testament, everything is one.
There's no two.
So when we die, we will reincarnate. Do you know if you are a reincarnation?
You would even, let me give you one instance. If you want to know, if you're home and you want to know you have been reincarnated. When you happen to have this thing, deja vu.
Deja vu, yeah, right.
When it happens rampantly, you are reincarnated soul.
I see.
Yeah. I see that. What was I say see that. I just studio. I say see that. Yes, you are reincarnated.
Are you one?
I've been having deja vu, so I will say I'm one.
Do you know who you were in the previous?
You would not
time?
know, but you just have flashbacks.